How to set up Bank of America mobile app. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can set up Bank of America mobile app, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to set up your Bank of America mobile app, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Bank of America mobile application. Here by default you have two options. The first is get started. So get started is for those people who don't have any Bank of America account or online banking account or just looking out. So if you don't have a whole account itself, you can tap on no Bank of America products. If you have an account but you don't have online account, then you can tap on set up online access. Then you can tap on just looking if you're just looking around whatever Bank of America has to offer. Now if you have already set up your online banking, you want to log into online banking, you can tap on login instead. Then you can enter your user ID and password, then tap on the login option. If your details are correct, you'll get successfully signed in to your Bank of America account. And that's all it takes to basically set up your Bank of America mobile app. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.